Morning everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today as you can see, we have a lot of snow again. Got another big storm. This is the third one now, and that one was it was a big blizzard. Lots of blowing snow, lots of snow, and as you can see there's big snow drifts, and the snow is it's hard because there was a lot of wind. So it's really packed hard, so it's a pain in the ass. But anyway, because of that, there's a lot of branches that are in the trail, and it slaps you in the face when you drive the skidoo and all that shit. So we are gonna go clean the trail today, and after that we'll come back. The cottage is warming up right now, started a fire, so it's nice and getting warm fast. So we'll come back and we'll have a little lunch. I got something for Christmas from my kids, so I want to try it out. Alright, we're back at the cabin, and yeah, it's pretty cold outside today. It's like minus 20 and feels like minus 28 or around that, so it's pretty cold, and it's time to warm up. So look at that, my Christmas gift from my kid. He bought me that, and I'm excited to try that. It's like bread maker, or baker I guess you can say. And we'll try it today. It's the first time I try something like that, so I don't know how it's gonna work. So I read a little bit about it, and it's ready to go. I just need to put some oil, and I made some bread at home, so hopefully it's gonna be good. The fire is going pretty hot. I hope it's not too hot that it's gonna burn, but hey, first time, huh? Let's see how it goes. Oh, look at that. I'm not set up pretty good here yet. I don't have a countertop or anything, so it's only the table, and it's the place is still a mess, but it's warm, it's nice. We're in the bush and we're happy, so that should be good. They say about half, so I guess we'll see how it goes. Close it. Oop. Make a mess right at the start. So hey, let's put that in the fire and see how it's gonna work. Oh, the fire is a bit hot. Oof. Make a little spot that's not in the flames. Oh yeah, it's super hot. I hope it doesn't burn the bread. Oh. Alright, I'll try that in that corner right there. Alright, wish me luck. Alright, right there. It's really hot, so hopefully that corner is it's gonna be just fine. So We'll wait about 5 to 6 minutes and I'll turn it around. Another 5 to 6 minutes and I'll check if it's golden brown, and hopefully it's gonna work. Alright, it's been about 5 to 6 minutes. I'll flip that around, give it another 5, and I'll look, and if it's not ready I'll put it in again for another maybe 1 or 2 minutes and we'll see how it goes. I hope it doesn't burn and we'll cook. One thing I forgot that I read is that I was supposed to warm it up first before I put the dough in it, so hopefully it's gonna be okay, but should be okay. It warms up pretty fast. It's cast iron, so shouldn't be a problem. Hopefully it won't be a problem. Alright, let's see how it looks. Let's take a quick look. Oh, it's golden, but I think, oh my god, it smells good. I think I'll let it cook a little longer, just to be a little more on the brown side. I don't think it's ready. So another minute each side, I think it's gonna be pretty nice. Alright, I think it's ready. Look at that beautiful bread. Oh, I wish you could smell that. Oh my god, it smells good. Oh yeah. I'm so excited about that. Oh my god. Let's see if it's cooked inside. Ooh. Oh boy. Ouch. Super hot. Brought a knife. Very crispy. Oh my god, look at that nice bread. Yeah. Oh, I think it's gonna be super good. I didn't bring any butter. I wish I had. Butter. Oh yeah, big time. But I did bring some honey, some summer honey. So summer taste for a nice cold winter. So we'll try that. Before I try it with honey, I want to try it just like that by itself. Oh, it's hot. Oh my god. It's super good. Oh, wow. Yep. Very, very happy about that. That's gonna make some very, very good lunches. Let's try that with honey. A little bit of honey. Sorry, camera. There we go. Wow. Now I need some tea with that. Brought myself some nice black tea. Oh my god. Guys. Yeah. That was a very good gift. I'm so happy about that. Wow, that bread is good. And very, very simple. But wow. I don't know if it's probably because it's cooked in there. I think I would prefer a stick of bread like that instead of toast when you have a nice bacon and egg breakfast. Oh my god, yeah. I love toast, but that bread is wow. I'm gonna have to bring a piece to my wife. Oh, that was good. Well, that was a good snack. So I'm sorry guys, it's gonna be a really quick video this time. That snowstorm really kicked my ass, and it was the holidays, so I didn't have time to come to the cabin this week. It's the first time I come to the cabin. So hopefully next week it's gonna be a longer video, and hopefully I'll be doing some work. Like I need to finish the ceiling, and I want to do at least a wall. So there's gonna be a lot more videos about the cabin if my health is cooperating with me. I have a really bad spine, so hopefully I'll be able to do that next week, and it's gonna be a longer video. So have a good day. It's Slide with Woodland Ventures. See ya.